Of course, the last one in here and the biggest one that I feel is the most important is the foundational basics of talking to kids and talking to your family about money. That is the way you really build wealth and really build literacy around wealth creation. When you start looking at your ticket, when you start talking to your children, thinking about it's not a blank check. We don't have infinite money. It is a finite thing. You're not going to have a lottery ticket, but setting them up for success through education. Now, when it comes to your traditional, K through 12 school, unfortunately, financial literacy for a majority of states is not there at all, meaning you get out of school after 12 or 13 years with zero financial literacy. I see people, and I do financial education and counseling. I see a lot of people that are 18, 19, even early 20s that have zero financial literacy. They don't know nothing from bank accounts to how investments work to making contributions into IRAs, 401ks, HSAs. It is kind of crazy that they have nothing at all and they have no foundation when these are the individuals that are just starting in the careers, just starting in the working world, and they have no idea. Now, of course, when it comes to older kids, really getting them an allowance, starting to build it, and really breaking it into giving, needs, wants, savings, and investing. If you have kids that are investing at a very early age, and I think about this myself, if I invested at 35, if I have kids that are investing at 18, even the time frame between the years of 18 to 35 is going to be a time to get an incredible amount of compounding in those investment portfolios. When you start thinking if you're starting at 18 and you're retiring at 65, through all of those working years, you can build a nest egg that is so big. And of course, it could make it super easy if college is paid for, if down payment for a house is paid for, if a lot of the regular traditional expenses that people really fall victim to, meaning they are stuck in payments. When you think about interest on a mortgage, interest on auto loans, interest on your student loans, interest on personal loans, Visa cards, credit cards, everything you're paying interest on, if you can eliminate that with generational wealth, it is going to be a game changer literally forever as they have kids. And then, of course, kids of kids, generational wealth can be built.